Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine wherever you are. In this video, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the 10 steps you need if you're a day trader, if you want to become a day trader and you're brand new. Maybe you're thinking about starting making money by trading, and you're brand new, you need some guide, you need a guide that will help you to get started. So without further ado, let's jump into video. The first step that you need, the first thing that you need to do if you want to be a day trader, guys, you need what we can call a self-assessment, where you need to ask yourself whether this is something for you, guys. If you somebody that is afraid to lose, yeah, this will probably not something that you should do, guys. Begin by introspecting to determine if you possess the necessary quality for day trading, guys. These include a strong grasp of mathematics, a keen interest in financial market, the ability to handle stress and uncertainty, because sometimes you need a lot of discipline for you to be able to do that. And the second thing, guys, is capital requirement, guys. Day trading is kind of different because you need a kind of a big capital. If you have like 200, 300, I wouldn't advise you to go ahead and do day trading. You need at least 1k USD. If you need little money, if you need like 20k, like $20 per day, that's when you can start with like 1k or 2k. If you only need like $20 per day, because you'll need to like earn a little bit each and every time when you day trade. You, because if you have a big capital, kind of big capital, you don't need it to be to go far for you to profit this little money that you're looking for. And number three, guys, is market knowledge. A deep understanding of market is essential as well. This include being aware of the different market forces, understanding how various economic indicators affect securities, and keeping up with financial news and trends, guys. You need to download some apps that will provide you with news. And also, you can follow YouTube channels that do provide news, so that you can just keep get updated each and every time how the market is, and that way it will help you to understand better these thing, guys. And number four is understanding securities. Securities is essential as well. Familiarize yourself with the different types of securities you can trade, such as stocks, bonds, options, and features. Understand how they respond to market conditions and what influences their price movement. If you understand that, it will also help you guys to understand fully what you should do and what you shouldn't do, guys. And number five is trading strategy development. Create a robust trading strategy based on a thorough analysis. Take your time and analyze. First of all, be sure to invest enough time to check how it goes even before you go to the real account, and make sure you analyze how it goes. When it goes up, goes down, everything. Just take your time and study the trading strategy. Have your own strategy. This should involve both technical analysis, study charts and patterns, and fundamental analysis, looking at economic factors and company performance. If you don't do that, you will start guessing, and if you start guessing, you end up losing the whole capital. All your money will be gone if you start guessing. But if you plan ahead and have your own strategy, this will help you a lot, guys. And number six is trading plan integration. Your trading strategy should be a part of the larger trading plan. This plan should detail your approach and trade, including how you enter and exit positions and criteria you will use to make these decisions, guys. That's what I was telling you before. You need to have your own strategy, and you will be able to build that with time. If you keep trading, keep trading, even if it's in a demo account, you come up with your own strategy, and you will be sure to only do what is to do what you've been practicing, not doing something new. If you do something new that you haven't been doing in your demo account, you go with emotions and you're gonna lose your money. So it's really advisable to like take your time and have your own strategy before you go ahead and even do something in a real account. And the number seven is risk management. This is very important, guys. If you don't plan ahead and think about how your risk, how far your risk can go, then you can mess up everything. You can end up not even trying, guys. So implement a strict money management rules. Decide in advance how much of your portfolio you are willing to risk on a single trade, and strict to this limit to protect your capital. Just decide ahead and say, for example, that you'll be putting like 50 bob, $50 at once. And then if you decide that it's 50, let it be 50. Don't put 100, don't put like 200 at a time, and you know your whole capital is like 1000 USD. Don't put like 200 while you've decided that it will be 50 at once. That way you go into emotions and you will lose, you will burn all your money in a very short period of time. So be careful at risk management. Before you start trading, decide how much you'll be putting at once, and decide what is your initial capital, and decide on your strategy that you'll be implementing in your tradings, and then follow up the rules that you've put it yourself. Just follow up. If you do that, I swear to God, you'll be making money. But if you go into emotions because you trust that that commodity or whatever, you know that it will go down, you convince that it's gonna go down, and then you put a lot of money, you break your own rules, then you're gonna lose, because you never know. You never know when it's going down or up. You have to follow your strategy. If you do that, you'll be a professional day trader. And number eight is brokerage costs. Investigate the costs associated with trading. Brokerage fees can eat into your profit, so it's important to choose a broker that offers competitive rate without compromising on service and quality. So some brokers are pretty expensive and some other brokers are not. So be sure to choose the one that is giving high quality service, but at the same time the one that is not that expensive, so that you won't lose in advance. And number nine is demo account practice. Before you start trading with your money, with real money, as I told you before, practice with a demo account, and these will allow you to test your strategies and get a feel for the market without risking actual capital. And I can stress with this one, be sure to practice enough before you put in any single penny. Be sure to practice a lot. Practice with the demo account. And also, once you go to the real account, be sure to not put emotions. Do what you've been doing in the demo account, because what happened if for those who don't understand and then go ahead and go to the real account without spending enough time on the demo account, most of the time they go into emotions. They start doing things new, some things new that they haven't been doing with the demo account, and then they go into emotions and then they lose. That's the only way you can lose, guys. Be sure to practice on a demo account, and once you go to the real account, once you start trading with real money, do what you've been doing in the demo account. Don't do anything new. Even if it's a new strategy that you want to implement, be sure to go back to your demo account and practice. And then once you've seen that it's worked, most of the time it works really well, then come back to the real account and practice what you've been doing to the demo account. But don't you do something new that you haven't been doing on the demo account. And number 10 is live trading, guys. Once you're comfortable with the strategy and have had success in a simulated environment, you can start live trading. Begin with a small amount to manage risk and gradually increase your capital, your initial capital, so that you can even eat more money, guys. So be sure to practice before you go to the real account. So basically, this is what you need to start trading. It's not competitive. complicated. If you can get somewhere that you can do a training somewhere in your neighborhood where you can just train, maybe in a club somewhere people do trade. I know in most of cities there are places like that. If you can go there and have friends like that and mingle with other people who trade, it will help you a lot. Or if you don't have anybody in your city who do trading, or if you live in somewhere outside the city, you can use Instagram communities where they only talk about trading. Even Facebook communities where trading is the only thing, you can just go there and join. And also follow YouTube channels where they do trading. Just let it be something that you do in that is in your everyday schedule, and you'll be able to make it easily. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Do not forget to join my YouTube family if you're not my family member already, and also do not forget to check my video description to see my recommendations. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you in the next video.